guys, we're playing Survivor. This is part 1. I'll show you a part 2 next time if I don't get lose. But right now we're Clown Kid in the house. Oh my god, I'm next. Dang, no one has gotten a... Wow. Wow. This is just, oh yes, let's go. Okay, guys, we need to make this. Clown Kid needs to win. Oh god, no, I hate this screen. Dang, it's the same thing. Kind of sad. It's tied. Wait, I thought he left, first of all. Whatever his name is, Beast Boy. No. Oh god, I'm next, guys. I think I can do this time. If I'm in first person. He better get. Okay, guys. He just made a point. Let's go. Dang it, I suck. I suck. Oh yes, he will make it. He will make it. He doesn't make it. Yes, let's go! Mr. Doge, you're a beast! Yeah, yes! Mr. Doge, you just made it us winning. Oh, yes. I just need him to make this, and then we won. Come on. No, it's okay. It's okay. We still won. We still won! Like, it's... Wait. Could be possible. Wait, I just need to watch that team. Oh, wait. Both teams. We won! We won! Oh my god! We won! Woohoo! We won. Oh my god. Look, we just said, oh, what? They already rage quit. Look, guys. Look at Audio, Sugar Plum, and XX90XX. Oh, whatever his name. Good job. Good job, boys. Yes. They don't know. I'm gonna tell. Wait, Vince. Man, she's not even there. She left. Kind of sad. My name is Clancy. And I am the name. My name is Clancy. And I don't have fame. Oh, guys, thank you, but thank you for 70 subscribers. And my birthday's in 5 more days. So if we can get 10 likes on this video, and if we can 10 likes and 25 subscribers, I'll do another video with the squad. So just do it. Oh, we emerged. No football. Oh, it's okay. I'll do another video with all of us. Charles, Daniel, me, Josh, probably Ty. You don't know who Ty is, but he is someone that doesn't live near us. Oh, I love this movie. But, we keep some calling. I love this. Say hi to world. Hi world. Hi world. I don't suck at this that much. Plus 3 layers. Who won? Good job. Hello. So sweet. Hello. Okay, guys, I have 6 more minutes and then I'll do part 2. Right after this. Right after 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Hello. I'm gonna do the Boris username. Vote off Sugar Plum, okay? Dude, I just wanna say, Wee. Hey, did she love vote a name? Vote Pop. I am sorry, Pop, but goodbye forever. Dude, look at Pop. He's so innocent. He was like, Pop, I'm really sorry, but Nato, why are you, huh? IDK, why are you voting Pop? We said sorry. We said sorry, guys. Who voted me? I was just ready. No, not audio. Audio. Pop. He already left. Pop already left. Pop knew it was coming for him. Pop. Dot. What? Sad. Man, I was smart doing that. Okay. Oh wait. Oh wait. What? He was still here? No. I am sorry, one of you, to go with me. Macarena. Okay, 30 more seconds and then I'm gonna have to end this video. But I'm gonna make a new one, guys. So, just wait for it. Oh, I'm so sad. If people vote, yeah, someone's probably gonna vote. What? No! Football! I'm sorry, Lee. Not audio.